I want to tell you today about something that you probably don't know. And I want to talk to you about how Yeshua's death fulfills something that is very prophetic on God's calendar. And this something is in reality a prophetic season. You see, God in His Word gives to us 7 feasts, and these 7 feasts are a revelation of His plan for salvation for you and for me. And that doesn't include Easter. In reality, Yeshua never died on Easter Friday and never resurrected on Easter Sunday. Instead, the Word of God tells us that He died during the season of Passover. And He rose from the dead on what is called by the Bible as the season of first fruits. And the Word of God describes this prophetic feast as a time wherein the children of Israel were not allowed to have anything to do or to partake of the fields and the grains until they brought their first fruit offerings. When they brought the first fruit offerings, it in point of fact revived and made the rest of the harvest living for them to partake of. And Yeshua dying on Passover and resurrecting on first fruits fulfills that feast and enables you and me who have been found in Him and grafted into Him, that just as He rose from the dead, you and I can rise from the dead as well, because He was our first fruits from the dead. This fulfills a very prophetic season on God's calendar, and it enables you and me to partake of that richness and to see the salvation story unfold from the pages of Genesis all the way to Revelation.